Finn's joining in on the flash flood warning.
Allen County in south central Kentucky, southwestern Barron County in south central Kentucky, Simpson County in south central Kentucky, central Warren County in south central Kentucky, until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bowling Green, Scottsville, Plum Springs, Mount Victor, Memphis Junction, Crestwood, Franklin, Woodburn, Oakland, and Boise. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.